everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the dollar bead box for September of 2023. And can I say I'm so excited. I love this bead box. It is just always just one of my favorites. So for September 2023, it says this month's dollar bead box was influenced by the floral colors of rose and lavender with accents of amethyst. Ooh, we must admit putting this group together put us all in a rosy mood. We were finding lots of fun color combinations and loads of ideas for earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and more. We hope you have as much fun with the box as we did. And don't forget, if your designs require more than items in the box, you can get more for just $1 from the online shop. So, let's see. This is, look how pretty this is. 8 fire polish strands for $8. This you just can't go wrong with. Ooh, look at these goodies. Look at those goodies. Okay, let's start out. I feel like oh no, it's not. Okay. I have my camera set so that I can see it as well as you, and it keeps looking like it's dark, but it's not. Okay, so you get four strands and three 3mm strands, and they're $1 each, and you add them on. Look at how pretty these are. Those are the 4, and then these are the 3. So let me get this. So the light amethyst, I'm doing the 3 strands first. Crystal green, purple vitriol, purple jet vintage copper luster, or vintage plum copper. Okay, so these are the 4. And now let me do the 3mm. Let me set those up. Okay. Jet finish, that one. Oh, purple opal is this. Crystal rose amethyst. Okay, so we're starting out with this. This is the 3mm strands of the purple opal. Look how pretty that is. These are just, I just get so excited when I get these beads in the mail. Look at that nice little shine they have on them. So pretty. Okay, and next is the jet vintage copper luster, or vintage plum copper. I got the jet vintage copper. No, I got the vintage plum copper. That's what I think I got. Look how pretty these are. Gorgeous. Next is the light amethyst. So pretty. I love that they give us, a couple of the strands are in 3 and 4mm because, if you bead weave and you need a smaller bead to finish off something. And this is the crystal vitriol green purple. So pretty. And these are, you could take one of these and wrap it around your wrist and make a bracelet. You could literally make 8 bracelets from these 8 strands. And this is the purple opal in the 4mm now. It's so pretty. Next is the jet vintage copper luster, or vintage plum copper. So this looks the same, the 3 and the 4. And then this is the crystal rose amethyst luster, or vintage rose gold luster, or crystal vitriol green purple. Okay. So yeah, this is the crystal rose amethyst luster. So pretty. So look pretty if you did some bead weaving and you could put these 2 together. And then last is the crystal vitriol green purple. So you could get the 3 and the 4. So you have both sizes. So pretty. I'm putting those up there. Then I'm going to get my Let's dump all these gorgeous beads out. Oh, we even got little seed beads. Ooh. I'm already excited. So let me get all this set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got everything done. So we're starting with the 4mm check glass struck medium amethyst, 50 pieces. So pretty. Next is the check Lucerna bicone, 6mm light amethyst or dark amethyst, 25 pieces. This should be the light amethyst. And I love these because the edges are a little more rounded. They're not as straight, so it gets more of a softer look to the bead. This next is 2x3mm check glass gem cut rondelle white opal with fuchsia, 50 pieces. This is really pretty. These have like a little rough edge to them. Very pretty. I love the striations in them, you know, making it, each bead is unique on its own. And next, oh, I love these. 6mm check glass mushrooms, crystal vitriol or rose gold, 30 pieces. These are so pretty because you can take 3 of these and make a little focal part of a pendant with them. I think that's probably what I'm going to do with these. I'll make like a necklace with, and you can like put them together and then going down. I mean, there's so much you can do with these beads because of the way they lay. So pretty. And look at these 7x15mm check glass owls, opaque white with copper, 6 pieces. Mine have a little bit of, I guess they are opaque white. They looked like they had a little bit of a pinkish undertone, but I guess they don't. A little copper. So cute. And then next is the 5mm check fire polish white and beige opal with travertine, 25 pieces. So this is really pretty. So a little more of a muted color with the rest of the soft colors of pink and purple. And last for the strands is 4mm check glass drop crystal AB, 50 pieces. These are really pretty. So we have all these still, and we still have all these bags. So now we have the 8x11mm check glass flowers, opaque white purple luster. These are so pretty. These make really pretty, if you don't use them as a flower, they make really pretty bead caps too. Like if you're doing a necklace or a bracelet or even earrings, and you have like a bigger bead and you want to put it here and then put another one like right there, it's really pretty because it just adds, I mean, when you look at all of the different colors and textures in these, they look so pretty. So we have that. Next we have the 12x16mm check glass leaf, opaque white rose gold luster, 2 pieces. And this whole, 1 second, I know I have, I don't know where I put my, oh, can't find it now. But yeah, so the hole is at the top of this. So next is the check glass star of Ishtar coin, 14mm opaque alabaster chili with metallic pink wash, 3 pieces. These are pretty. I love the wash on them because it gives it that kind of like that sparkle, and it just brings out the coin, all the etching in it. Next is 10mm check crystal waterfall cut in crystal, 6 pieces. Oh, these are so pretty. Look how shiny those are. These are really pretty. Such beautiful quality beads. And next is 14 millimeter check glass table cut Y beads, opaque lavender with travertine, 2 pieces. I love these. See how they got the travertine on the side, and the holes run through the top there. So it comes out there. I just love these beads. They're so cool. They just give a lot of interest, like if you just make a quick pair of earrings or something. Next is 17 millimeter check glass dragonfly lavender satin travertine, 2 pieces. Yeah, see, it's got the same travertine on the side. Look how pretty these are. And the holes run through the top, up and down. So pretty. And it's the same on both sides. Next is 14 by 17 millimeter pewter butterflies and antique brass, 2 pieces. So here's the front, and then here's the back. So it still has some etching on the back, but this is definitely the front side of it. So pretty. Pretty for some earrings. Next is 4 millimeter check glass saucer and amethyst, 25 pieces. Oh, where did that go? I guess it did come back in. So pretty. Oh. Okay, and next are the 10 by 12 millimeter check glass puffed pillow burgundy with crystal, 3 pieces. So these are always a lot of fun. And getting 3, you could make an earring with each, and then this one you could build this up with something around it and make that a pendant and make an earring and a pendant necklace for a gift set or something. There's lots of ideas for those. And then next is 6 by 8 millimeter check glass squishy ovals, crystal AB, 10 pieces. These are so much fun to work with because they're not clear. They have that AB, so they add just that little bit of sparkle when you put them with something like if you were to do something with these 2 together. And then this color gets picked up from the AB on them. It's really, they kind of can, they bring out whatever colors in the other beads you use with these. And then next we have a 22 by 38 millimeter fuchsia zebra jasper oval. And I have, looks like I have, hold on 1 second, let me, okay, I have a tiny extra little hole up there, but I can cover that up with something. But yeah, this is really pretty. Nice focal piece. And last but not least, 11-0 check glass seed beads. I'm not going to open them because you guys know what they look like. So this is it for the box this month. I didn't do, now their August box, I did a tutorial, but I didn't do a finished jewelry. So what I'm going to do is I'll add it to this month. So at the end of this month, I'll do a finished jewelry for August and September because August kind of got away from me. I went on vacation, then I was sick, and then with Wendy passing, didn't really feel like making some videos, and you know, but I think everybody's going through that right now with her. So yeah, so I will do a combined finished jewelry for August and September. So thank you for watching this unboxing. Let me know down in the comments if you get the Dollar Bead box, and if you do, what's your favorite pieces out of here. I kind of think this is it for me. They're just these funky beads, and I love the etching on them, and the way the wash is in there. You know, the metallic pink wash, how it's in there. I just love that. So, and the Y beads too. These are fun. So, yeah, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Hit that notification bell too, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And below I have links to all my social media. I have my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook page if you want to follow me on there. And thank you for joining me today for this unboxing. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.